Hi, we are the Blue Bolts. My name is Kennedy,
Chelsea,
Kira and Jamie.
we have built a turtle named Tilly.
The bit that moves on the turtle are the two front flippers. They go up and down. The turtle is 164 centimeters or 1.64 meters in length.
We hope you enjoy the series of photos.
Now that you've seen the photos and the time lapse,
Let's go see the finished result.
here it is. So this is our turtle, and the movement part is the flippers. So we have an axle which is connected to a crank with string, and then it moves the flippers up and down. Also, as you can see, the turtle can move forwards and backwards.